Welcome back to the channel, and I hope that whatever you've been doing to celebrate, whatever you've been up to, my wonderful friends, that you've had a great festive season. Next week I'm going to be celebrating my 1-year anniversary of creating here on YouTube. Sounds completely crazy to be saying that. I can't believe I've been creating content here for a year, and I definitely would not have been able to do so without your wonderful love and support, my friends. So thank you all so much. So this week I thought, why not celebrate by going through all of the wonderful creations we've created here on the Evelyn Adore channel on the first year here on YouTube. And as you all know, because I love a sneak peek, I'm going to be sharing with you a few sneaky peeks of what we're going to get up to here on the channel in 2023. And yes, I still have my starlights up. I can't bring myself to take them down. I love them too much. So they might be here for a little while longer. But too much talking, I digress. Let's take a look at those wonderful creations. I created quite a lot here on the channel this year, and look at all those amazing, wonderful fabrics, colours and patterns. But no, Evelyn, you do not need any more fabric. The fabric stash does not need to get any bigger yet. And you've probably noticed quite a few sneak peeks and inspiration for what we're going to create this year here on the Evelyn Adore channel, my friends. And it also reminded me, looking at all these lovely creations created here this year, how much fashion and clothing can actually mean to you. It can be so much more than just clothes. They can help you show who you are. They can help you show your personality. And they can definitely be metaphorical armour too. And if you've been in difficult places like I have in my life, clothes and fashion, and definitely creating and designing your own personal wardrobe, can really help you decide who you are and who you want to be. And I really think that being able to decide what you want to wear, designing what you want to wear and creating it yourself is definitely a superpower, my friends. So us creators, I think that definitely makes us superheroes or supervillains, whichever way you want to go. But until next week, my friends, take care. Bye.